Hello everyone, I'm Master Chu. Welcome to Shiun Kung Fu System. Authentic Chinese Kung Fu is an art itself. In this video, you will see how I use water and fire Kung Fu together with Tai Chi to fight against the bad guy. In the end of this video, I list some relevant videos to this video. Hope you will like them. Another one, we may encounter the situation look like this here. Okay, punch, 1, 2. This we call 钻. It's a water form, 水形. This is 水形. Come here. See? Okay, this is we called 玉女穿梭. In Tai Chi movement. See? Okay. If we want to do it in much more damaged form, we will use our feet instead of our palm. And it may look like this. 1, 2, and then 3. Hit. Then it becomes 炮拳, fire form, 火形, and to destroy our enemy.